In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design. So without any time waste, let's get started. First, I'm going on Canva. This link I will attach in my video description for easy access. Example of it, this is my design. So if I create to another one, just input in design. So I want to save it on my computer, laptop, MacBook, and mobile phone and any other devices. This is the same method. Just go to share button, then click on download. Then this is you need to select one: jpg, png, pdf, mpdf, prints, mp4, etc, etc. So I select png or okay, this got, and click on download. Now it's start downloading, few second processing. So if you are new here to my video, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell. See you again, take care, goodbye.